Well, it looks like I've got another project, which is awesome. This is the bike that started it all. Back in the spring, I was looking for a bike, Sportster, to work on as a restoration project. This one came up on Craigslist. However, it was a New York State barn find, and nobody had the title to it. So the guy who was selling it actually was good enough and persistent enough not to part it out, but to spend the summer trying to get New York State to issue a license for this bike, a title for this bike. And he disappeared from my radar. So I ended up getting the 82 that I just made a video of. And this bike, the guy called me about 4 weeks ago and said he had clear title to it. So what I did was I immediately went over and bought it. Now, from the looks of it, it's been stored inside most of its life. It's a 1971 XLH, and pieces were missing. The starter motor is missing, some of the covers are missing, the headlight was down, wires were exposed. So it seems to me that the bike had some kind of electrical problem, and that caused the guy to take it apart and try to fix it. But he didn't, for some reason. So the trick is going to be finding all the missing parts. So everything that he took off probably went into a box somewhere, and that box disappeared. It's probably still up in the New York State barn somewhere. So what we have is a really good condition 71 Sportster, which is exactly what I've been looking for. I rode one of these. My best buddy bought one new back in '70, and I rode it then, and really loved it. For some reason, this one looks like it's smaller than the 82. I don't know why. Maybe it's the seat, but the whole bike feels like it's smaller. And maybe the smaller tank. I wonder if anybody recognizes the pinstriping, beautiful pinstriping that was done on this bike, because it is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. The whole bike is gorgeous. It's just ideal for a project that'll end up with a really awesome machine. Very personal machine. I love it. And that's the whole story. This is my next project. It's only got 10,000 miles on it. Everything that was left on the bike appears to be original, except for maybe the seat, but I think the seat might have been a Harley accessory. It's been repainted, obviously, with the pinstriping. I think they did the painting too, because this paint is just glorious. So we'll see how this evolves. Thanks for watching. Bye.